I can take you to my car. I did not take anything at all.
That's fine. We're going to go to your car.
Okay, come on.
Let me just check that out of the pocket.
Go ahead, sir. I did not take any glasses. I promise you.
You're on video taking
Yeah,
I can
but
see
I
the
put the
video.
glasses back, sir.
It doesn't matter. You're on video taking them. Where's
The 21st of January, 2025. Coastland Center Mall, Naples, Florida. This is a legal analysis of the stop, the search, and the charges. An employee at Sunglass Hut reported an active theft. A 3-minute encounter ended with a felony charge, not for the sunglasses, for what was found in her pocket.
Where's the open this bag?
There's nothing inside this bag at all. It's my stuff. Check.
No, sir. We're going to go out to the car.
Okay.
Let's see. Where are you parked over at?
I'm taking you. I don't really know the area. So.
All right, go out this way then. We're going out this way because I have another officer coming. Well, we can walk around. Here, go out this way. Can you ask him if he'll sign a sworn statement for the sunglasses since we don't have them and see if he'll press charges?
You're going to have to walk this way.
Okay.
It's not right.
What kind of car is it?
It's an alternate.
Can they meet you over here?
She's inside the mall. The car is open. I just said we could have walked that way.
Do you have ID on yours? You said it's in the car?
Yeah.
Where's the vehicle? In the parking garage?
I let you search all of my stuff. I don't have any glasses. Where you at? Oh, no, this nigga's going to take glasses. I don't take no fucking glasses. So if y'all don't find no glasses, I can leave, right? Because I don't have any glasses.
No.
Alpha 1, Charlie 60.
So
I don't have any glasses.
you're on video putting the glasses in your jacket.
Glasses back,
They're not in the store.
yes, they are in the store. I put the glasses back.
So if they want to press charges, then they can press charges.
After you press charges, and I didn't
After
take
the glasses.
So that's the thing about it.
You're on video taking the glasses and walking out of the store with them.
I did not walk out the store with the glasses. Did you come out of it?
Going north on North Shore.
Where's your vehicle?
She moved the car.
Okay, come over here. Put your bags up there. You hang up the phone right now.
I'm going to call you back.
Turn around. Put your phone up on that car.
Can I at least let you search the car and she's going to come back around with the car?
Come back around.
I don't have
Give me a second.
30 Duncan, correct. 30 fuck you.
Give me a second.
No, I'm saying, can I make a call to my grandma and let her know what's going on at least so she can get my
Vehicle and go to the
Yeah, but I want to.
I want to come out with you. I'm not going to be anything but come out at all.
Just turn your hand inward. There you go.
At least let me make a phone call to my grandmother.
Okay,
Please.
you can wait. You have anything on us that's going to poke us,
No,
stick us, or
not
anything
at
like
all.
that? Okay.
Can I at least make a phone call, sir? I just want to let my grandmother know.
Yeah,
Please.
I know what that is, so.
Yeah, I know what that is.
So you will be arrested for that alone.
Do you have anything with you?
No. Can I at least make a phone call, sir?
Yeah, why don't you make a phone call to whoever has the vehicle to come over here to get your ID? Yeah, just put it in.
Can I give you my name?
Yeah.
Can I at least make a call? So that my grandma can get my kids here?
You want her grandma?
At least so she can get my kids, please.
Can you look at her
keys?
phone?
My kids. They're at a friend house, please.
What's your first name?
JAVON
JAVON
SHAYE
SHAYE.
DAVIS.
He stopped me from Sunglass Hut. She took 2 pairs on video, put them in her pockets, walked directly out of the store, said she doesn't have them. So she probably met with someone passing by and handed them off. That's why I wanted the other girl to come out vehicle. And we wanted to see what vehicle they're driving because she fits the same description that's been stealing Coach purses in the mall. But she also had the burglary device on her. So no matter what, I'll charge her with this.
So the people from the 2 girls who live in Texas, twin.
Yeah, I don't know if that's part of it or not.
Because
I was trying to get.
You took a report.
You said it was a what? Ford Edge or something, or a Ford Escape?
It was a Volkswagen SUV. 4-door. That's the 3 that I had last week. Run out of Mason. And that's the pictures.
It looks the same.
Looks like the same, right? We have
But she's saying she had a Altima. Yeah, the problem is she doesn't have ID, and I want her ID because she could be given anyone's name.
Do you think he'll let me make a call?
No, we don't.
Really?
That's not a thing, no. When you get to jail, if that's whatever decision they may take, that's when you make a phone call in there.
I'm talking about now so that I can have my grandmother pick up my kids, please.
I'm trying to tell you is I'm not the officer, it's him. He already told you to wait, so you have to wait for him, okay?
Okay.
We're waiting to see if they want to press charges.
Oh, okay.
Maybe they don't, you know how they are. So if they don't, there's nothing to do. So I'm just doing this just in case.
Yeah, get it over with.
You heard the one in Sector 1?
Yeah.
That was wild.
I know. I didn't know which way to go. I was like, if he's left on Gulf Shore, should I go to that? Or...
I had the other guys come in here. They were going to take it from me, but then the other one came out, and the guy hit him the son with bills.
So, let me see.
They've been doing this for weeks now.
You know, Pink usually presses charges.
I'm telling you, if you're not going to press charges, don't call us. I'm not going to waste that.
My ID? It's 305. You put me in as deputy? No. We're not the county. No, I'm just kidding.
Oh, no.
Yeah, I know.
Central 504.
Ready for you? Yeah. What's going on?
You're so nice, huh?
Yeah.
And I was heading this way, and then they had that other thing, so I couldn't ask you questions.
No, that's fine.
So,
Hold on. Can you guys send someone to Pink for me?
Pink?
Or Louis, or what is it?
Yeah.
Victoria's Secret, I guess. And see, she
had no receipts? Oh, she still has that on.
Yeah, she tried to pop it off. So, can you see if she will?
Is she paid for it?
Well, no, she has no receipt of it.
Oh, okay.
So let me photograph those real quick first, and then if you can see if they want to press charges. If they do, just let us know. We'll send an officer in there to do a sworn statement. But I don't know if this is the only thing. She could have taken a lot more stuff, but. Yeah, I know. Well, that's what I'm thinking. As soon as they left Sunglass Hut, they probably did a side swipe. So she's not calling with the product. And he got me immediately. I was having to be right there.
I didn't know which way to go. So we don't know yet for your first charges.
Well, I have her anyway for a burglary device.
From Central.
Oh, okay.
So she had this on her anyway. So I'll get her for that.
It's a like in picture up with the device.
Yeah, just to pop the magnets off.
You have that on?
3 statutes control the legal outcome here. Florida Statute 8106 burglary tools. Possession of any instrument designed to defeat a retail security device is a 3rd-degree felony. Maximum 5 years. The merchandise does not have to be found. The device is the offense. Florida Statute 812014 theft. Theft is completed concealment with intent to deprive. Returning merchandise after concealment does not undo the offense. The crime was committed the moment the glasses went into the jacket. Terry versus Ohio, decided in 1968. Video of a person concealing merchandise establishes reasonable suspicion for an investigative detention. The stop was lawful from the first second. Schneckloth versus Bustamonte, decided in 1973. A voluntary consent search is constitutionally valid. Davis opened her bag. The empty bag did not clear her. Graham versus Connor, decided in 1989. Officer conduct is evaluated on facts known at the moment of the decision, not in hindsight. A specific medical complaint in custody requires a documented response, not a policy citation.
Yeah, that was in her pocket. She said she didn't know what it was. Then out here, she said she did know what it was.
Ron, can you re-advise?
Yep. This is from Nike, but what is it?
It's negative.
It didn't.
Yeah. But there's no price tag on it, so she ripped the price tag off of them. I'm assuming you get out of... That's what I think it is.
Anti-shoplifting device is
What all it does
like
is...
a catch-all.
It is a heavy magnet just to pop it off.
Just about.
November 7th.
Anti-shoplifting, you know.
Did you send someone already?
No, I mean,
Oh, yeah.
Number is going to be
What's that?
207.
all right, coming back.
Thank you, sir. What's that?
You need a proper receipt. Sorry.
Yeah, because I have hard evidence.
Do you got any proper receipts available? If not, I got to get in there.
I mean, I could do that. I could do that at the station. I could do it at the station.
You're going to take it? You guys supposed to?
I don't know. Shitfish always calls me, and I have to take it when I'm on the road, but... No, but
Yeah. It's usually because
I'm here, but I...
You've been here all day.
Yeah, they made me come in early.
See, you were in about getting out of 5.
No, I messed up and came in the wrong time. I wish to press charges.
On behalf of what's out there,
You don't even have to do that, just I wish to press charges.
it's just being trespassed.
Yeah, she'll be trespassed from the mall.
31.
Definitely.
Thank you.
Yep. What I'm going to do is just sign this real quick, and then if you want a photo of this for yourself real fast,
Yeah, I can do that.
this way you have the case number and stuff on it.
Did you reach out to the original phone central, Kyle?
And my information will then be on it. So, yeah, it's going to be theft, burglary, device. Yeah, two counts of theft.
So theft. Sorry for theft. Because at the end of
Yeah, it's retail theft and burglary device. Can you roll the window down real quick? Is that your friend that has the car?
No, that's my cousin.
Okay.
Can I please call my grandmother? I just want to let her know to get my kids, please.
Yeah, you gotta wait.
Could you loosen the cuffs for me?
No, they have one finger in between. They don't get any looser than that.
Do you take any medications or anything?
No. Ma'am, I really need the cuffs loosened, please.
I'll let him know. He already told you. If there's a finger in the middle, there's not much we can do.
But if you look at it, if you look at my wrist, it's a long big cut on my wrist.
Do you take any drugs?
No, I don't.
Have you made any suicidal statements?
No.
Do you have any hallucinations?
Huh?
Do you have any hallucinations?
No. Sir, could you please loosen the cuffs? If you look at my wrist, you will see. Please, could you please loosen the cuffs for me?
No. Policy's one finger in between, and that's.
But if you look at my wrist, you can tell that it's a bit. I had surgery on my wrist. It's a really big long cut on my wrist.
Yeah,
It goes from my wrist to my hand.
It's on with the proper spacing in between.
But I can't even move my wrist at all. It's sitting right onto my bones.
No, they're handcuffs.
Too many drugs or weapons on you, ma'am?
Applying the theft elements, Davis admitted placing the glasses in her jacket. Concealment and intent are established by her own statement and the surveillance footage. Her return of the merchandise is legally irrelevant to the completed offense. Applying the burglary tools statute, a magnetic tag remover has no lawful use for a retail shopper. Florida courts treat possession in a retail setting as sufficient to infer intent. The charge stands whether or not the glasses were ever recovered. The handcuff medical complaint is the one procedural gap, citing standard policy without inspection. or document as shown is not a sufficient response. Under Graham versus Connor, that gap is where civil liability begins. The grades. The officer receives an A-. The booster device was identified and charged separately. The legally correct call. Surveillance confirmed. Store employee signed a sworn statement. The deduction. The handcuff medical complaint received a policy citation, not a documented response. Davis receives a D, caught on surveillance. Professional shoplifting device in her pocket. Additional merchandise without a receipt. Denied the obvious. Every statement without counsel became prosecution material. She had the right to remain silent. Invoking it at the first moment costs nothing and protects everything. 3 takeaways. First, theft is complete at concealment. Returning the goods does not undo the crime. Second, possession of a security defeat device in a retail setting is a felony without the merchandise. Third, a specific medical complaint in custody requires documentation, not a policy citation. Subscribe for weekly Bodycam legal analysis. Drop a comment, what should the sentence have been? See you in the next one.